Bon, on dit que nos petits problèmes sont là, puisque nous ne pouvons pas attendre M. Biden très bien. Évidemment, si nous ne pouvons pas attendre bien, nous attendons un minimum de son et puis nous vivons en image.
This is not the time to lift it. This is not the time to end it. Look, we have the same cultural background, the same people of faith. We believe in the same things. We honor family. Family first. After that, what to do is tell all people. You know, I'm a practicing Catholic. There's an expression by a famous theologian who said, faith sees best in the dark. What we need is faith. We need to have faith in the ability of people to overcome great crises. And you have. The community has. You've reached out. You've left nobody behind. You made sure that people know they have a home with you. There's nothing more difficult to deal with. We go from experience and loss, family, to get back, you have nobody to leave house, nobody to help us, nobody to understand. So thank you. Thank this center and all of you for what you've done to take care of so many incredible people. Folks, the fact is that, it's all about the spirit of this community. You know, there's an expression I often use. I say, there's no quit in America. There's no quit in America. There's truly no quit in the Haitian community. There is none. And I promise you, there'll be no quit on my part as your president, making sure the Haitian community has an even shot, is back on its feet, to move in the direction that they will realize its incredible potential. But there's a lot happening. This is the most important election, I suspect, that we can create in most of our lifetimes. The character of the country is literally on the ballot. What kind of nation we're going to be, who we are, what we stand for, whether we'll continue to reach out, or whether we'll continue to push people away like it's happening now. Whether we'll take care of those people who are, for no fault of their own, find themselves among those families. Over 205,000 people have died from COVID without much help at all. We can do so much together, and we can set an example as this community is tight. Folks, millions of lives and livelihoods are on the line. This is the last day you can register to vote in Florida. It matters. Genuinely matters. Because, folks, the Haitian community by itself, the turnout was like it was last time, the Haitian community itself can determine the outcome of this election. What's the remedy? It's there. And not only an opportunity, I think we have an obligation to see to it to take care of the folks who care so much about. Because I promise you, I'll give you my word as a wife, I'll be there. I'll stand with you. There's so much you can do. Think about this. The Haitian community here, little Haiti, grows and prospers. The whole 90-day prospers. Nobody loses. Everybody wins. It's all about addition. Not like the administration talks about subtraction. It's all about addition. As I said, the fact is that 29 days to go to this election. 29 days. And I respectfully suggest that you haven't already done it. Encourage your friends, your family, your constituents to go to iwillvote.com. Figure out exactly where you're going to vote. Exactly how you're going to vote. And one more thing. Two of my grandfather used to say, find the 5 people you're going to bring along to vote, not just you. Reach out. There's a lot of people are disturbed. And by the way, everything the administration has done is try to put a lid on people voting. Everything. Making it sound like we can't determine our own outcome. We can. The American people are showing up. They're voting in large numbers. It's already begun, as you all know. Quite frankly, if we win Florida, you've won. You've got won. And folks, look, American people, Floridians, folks in Miami-Dade, I'm looking to you. You can deliver an awful lot. You really can. There's a commitment to build my meeting. If elected, we'll be back. Not the last to hear me. Never broke my word in anything I've said. Congressman will tell you. Because look, the community grows is something to other communities. Other communities in the trouble. I'm not going to leave it shot. All we can do, make sure that you don't go have the quality you have with the nonprofit going under because of the fact that you need that kind of help you need. It's there. Congressman voted for all this. It's there. It's going to the big hitters, not going to ordinary, hard-working people. I want to make sure that you wrap up and stop all of that. I feel really strong. And I think about this. Look at the irony. Irony of all ironies. If on election eve, it turned out, patience delivered who they are. So ladies and gentlemen, the good news is, for me, I'm here. The bad news for you is, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. And I want to see these beautiful young ladies. I want to see them dancing when they're 4 years older, too. It's great to see you. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep the faith. Every time I walk out of my grandpa's office, not only trust me, I heard me say this 100 times. But he'd say to me, he'd say, Joey, keep the faith. My grandmother, when she was alive, she said, no, Joey, spread it. Go spread the faith. God love you all. May God protect our troops. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Pictures, okay.
Tell everybody to look up here.
Press, we're loading. Press.
All press will be. I'll let you know. Fred, I'll give you a heads up. Thank you guys.
That's good.
I'm sorry, we're not gonna get no.
That's what they said. That's what looks like it's gonna change.
Go ahead. I'll leave the mic over.
Like I swear.
Is this your bag right here?
Thank you, thank you. Wonderful, thank you.
Thank you so much, Vice President Biden, for being here with us at the Little Haiti Cultural Complex and here in the city of Miami. We wish you the best of luck. We know you're going to pray for this for our community and safe travels.
I know. Careful today.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for coming.
Stay in your positions, please.
Thank you.
We're good.
Please roll back 287G, roll it back. Guys, hello.
Hang on. If you can just, sir, if you can just step back just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Anywhere here is good. That's good. You're good here. No, we don't want that. They're really gonna get mad. So you can shoot this, but they don't want anything coming in and out of the car because we don't know what it is. Thanks. That's it, just there. Hold up, right here, guys. Hold up, okay? Right here. Right here.
All right, we good.
Stay out of your way.
We good.
You good?
That's it. I know. I know you're doing your job, my friend. All right.
Oh, so I wasn't invited to this party.
Thank you. Thanks for everything.
I got a lot. I don't know. I'm gonna have to review them to see it. Oh yeah. You got it. All right. Yeah. Go ahead. I got it. I'm ready. Yeah.
It's Marcy. Wait, Marcy. Dancers. Come in for dancers. Are they any band? Come in the front. Use a shot.
One, two. Good enough. Senzi! Donc, qu'on a là, c'est cortège là, on faut suivre là, mesdames et messieurs. Et monsieur Biden, allez. Waouh. Ça, les motos 4 là, on suivre là. En pile police. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Bon, mesdames et messieurs, moi j'espère que me fait nous vivre au minimum. Tout ça me capable de permettre de nous vivre, puisque, comme on dit, nous, sécurité a été vraiment taille. Et il y a des bagages qui ne pas permettre. Donc, moi-même, nous faisons gens là, au haïtien, nous faisons gens là, et puis nous faisons vivre quelques séquences. Et surtout, rencontre que M. Biden saute fait avec la communauté haïtienne. Évidemment, comme nous avons remarqué, c'est quelques monde, quelques personnalités de la communauté invitées, et puis plusieurs élus et chaînes américaines. Donc, et Katia a commencé à vider là, en pile pression, il était bloqué toute zone là. Et comme vous remarquez, en fait, cortège là, j'ai l'impression qu'il n'y a pas de 100 machines dans le cortège là. Donc, c'est ça lié, c'est ça lié. C'est un candidat, c'est un monde qui a un potentiel pour lui venir président des États-Unis. Donc, c'est ça qui fait toutes les mesures de sécurité ça. Donc, capable de comprendre.
Thank you,
All right, thank you, my friend. All right. So, bon, Secret Service a commencé à me déplacer. Et Gentio, ça c'est quelques officiers dans la ville City Miami. Donc, la gâte est vidée. Voilà, c'est l'essentiel. So, mesdames et messieurs, c'est là maintenant mettons point final avec couverture là. Donc, Cindy, par contre, vous avez dit quelques mots. Et so, about the meeting ça, évidemment, c'est vous qui avez quelque chose pour welcome et candidat et Parti démocrate là. Et de toute façon, excellent, très belle introduction. We're proud of you. So, give us a sense of that meeting. You can share. No, you're more fluent in English, right? So whatever. Parle créole en anglais.